How to use a Visa gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can use a Visa gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to use a Visa gift card online, basically what you need to do is you can use a Visa gift card online whichever e-commerce store actually accepts Visa as a payment method. So if you're shopping from Amazon or eBay, Shein, AliExpress, Temu, whichever store, if they accept Visa, you can use Visa gift card. The thing you want to keep in mind is that you should not select gift card as a payment method. You have to select normal Visa card as a payment method and then enter your gift card code as you normally do. So here, if I open the support page of Visa here, you can see using a Visa gift card in stores and online. If you're in a store, you'll just slide or insert your Visa card to pay. But for an online checkout, you'll enter your Visa gift card 16-digit number, expiration date and CVV in the appropriate form field. So it just really depends upon the website, and that is why I cannot show you a perfect tutorial for that. Depending upon the website that you're planning to use your Visa gift card on, if they accept Visa as a payment method, mostly 90% of the stores already do. If they do, you'll be able to check out using a Visa gift card. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.